What if a kiss could help your child speak better? It can, and this quick game makes it fun. Welcome to Kiss the Air, a playful way to build lip rounding for clearer sounds. You don't need anything fancy, just your lips, your child, and a few floating kisses. Start by puckering your lips and blowing a big, slow kiss into the air. Make it playful, exaggerate the sound and the motion. Now invite your child to copy you. Try a few slow kisses together. Let's make it more fun. Speed it up. Alternate between slow and quick kisses. This helps your child control how and when they move their lips. If your child finds it tricky to pucker, place your fingers gently at the corners of their mouth to guide the shape. You can also use a mirror to help them see what their lips are doing. It builds awareness. You can do this during your goodbye routines or while playing with a favorite toy. Blow kisses to a teddy bear or a sister or even to the mirror. It's a fun way to sneak in practice. Great job! You're building strong lips for clear speech, one kiss at a time. This activity strengthens lip rounding, a key skill for speech sounds like wa in words like wow or whoa. It also builds coordination and motor control. Let's try the next fun activity when you are ready.